Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quiz to tell you in this tutorials how to downgrade unsigned IPSW on your iPhone device. Either it is signed or unsigned. How do you downgrade? How do you roll back your iOS without losing any data on any iPhone device? We will check it out manually by itself on a device. Tap on a setting guys. If it is not possible, then we will go for alternative way to downgrade. So tap on a setting guys. Setting 2, of course, we will have to come to general. In a general especially, we will have to click on a software updates. Let's check it out. It's essential that up to that is the iOS 18.4. We don't have a downgrade. How can I rollbacks from latest updated iOS to 18, 18.1, 18.2 or 17 iOS, or if you would like to go with unsigned iOS? How would I? So for everything guys, don't worry, just we will go for an administration by a PC, tap on especially a smart flash, and thereupon of course we will click on a refresh option. So it's going to a refresh, and now here we have an opportunity to come on a 18.3.2, 18.3 RC, 18.4 beta, 18.2 beta, 18.4 beta. So out of them, any go for downgraded. So firstly we will come on a especially 18.3 RC. We will start to a download. So it's starting to it has started to a download guys. Firstly we will come on this, and upon after reaching on here, then of course we will once again after installations this IPSW, then let me here see here it has started to download, but total size approximately 8.23 GB, so it will take a scarcely the 1 hours approximately. So after installation, let me minimize it, and thereupon of course we will select the retain user data, and thereupon when it will be downloaded, then directly we will hit this via retain user data to this one. So this IPSW that will be especially downgraded from iOS 18.2 18.3 RC. After coming on here latest ones, then what we will do guys here, once again we will click on a refresh, and thereupon then we can go for once again we will have an opportunity to downgrade directly unsigned IPSW. If you would like to, then we will have to click on a especially firmware. Right now I would like to go with this, especially this iOS that I am installing. So a lot of the especially beta version is given here. Anyone out of them, of course you can here see we can directly 18.2 latest ones that we can from 18.4 to 18.3.2 this directly we can go for downgrade, but unsigned from here these are comings, these all are. So on a 17, if you would like to go directly, we can download here 17, and after downloading what we will do here guys, we will come now once again on a especially here, and we will come in easy flash. So we have an opportunity to import, and here directly we can here import any that we have a downloaded IPSW guys, this ones. So how can I import of these things? Yes, firstly suppose here this one we have a downloaded files. So what we will do here, let me pause, it will work slow here if I go for see how do you import of it. So simply just we will come on especially this file folder. In the file folder we have a lot of the IPSW that anyone out of them, just we will go for here copy these ones, and let's see copy, and we will paste on a here on a desktop guys. And after pasting here, then of course we will go for import here, and after importing just we will come on a desktop, and that's we will start to open. So it will verify and it will come here. Firstly we will go for here download, and after downloading, suppose this one has been downloaded, so now we'll go for here flash option. So now it will ask to the verification. If I hit this ones, it will start to a downgrade, but it's already 18.4, so I'm not going with firstly we will have to reach on 18.3, and then of course we will come on especially import, that is firmware. From here especially we will imports, that's the 17.3 unsigned versions. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Firstly we will have to download, and thereupon we will go for, so go with a similar strategy that I have mentioned to you. firstly let me complete it, and then of course we will go for. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further when inquiry, of course, have the query below the comment box, and the pleasure would remains to the reply your query, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.